Each of us has turned to his own way, and the Lord has laid on him the iniquity of us all. Listen. He was oppressed and afflicted, yet he did not open up his mouth. He was led like a lamb to the slaughter, and as a sheep before the shearer, he was silent. So he did not open his mouth. By operation and judgment he was taken away. And who can speak of his descendants? For he was cut off from the land of the living. For the transgressions of my people, Jesus was stricken. For the sins of the world, Jesus was stricken. For the sins of the world, Jesus Christ of Nazareth was stricken. For you, he was stricken. Oh yes, the crown of thorns on his head, it was because of you. The nails in his hands, it was because of you. The nails in his feet, it was because of you. On the cross of Calvary, it was because of you. He wanted to give you redemption, my mother. He wanted to give you redemption, my brother. Today is the day of salvation. Today is the day of redemption. If you hear this gospel today, open up your heart and allow Jesus to come in and set you free. Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. He wants to redeem you today from every sin. He wants to redeem you today from every transgression. Sin is sin, and the wages of sin is death. I repeat it again. Sin is a sin, and the wages of sin is death. Today you're living that life thinking there is no tomorrow. My dear, tomorrow is not promised. Tomorrow is not promised. Salvation is a free gift unto everybody. Salvation is a free gift unto everybody. Salvation is a free gift unto anybody. Jesus wants to come in your heart. Jesus wants to come in your life and set you free. He wants to come in your life and deliver you. He wants to come in your life and give you life and life in abundance. For the enemy came to steal, the enemy came to kill, the enemy came to destroy, but Jesus Christ came that you might have life and life in abundance. America, when you hear this message today, America, when you hear this message today, repent and turn away from every sin. Repent and allow Jesus to come in and set you free, for he loves you.